This guy, Fateh Islam, was in the comment section basically celebrating the fact that I was being abused in the most severe and evil terms. So I don't know if we should, I don't think we should engage with him now. I don't think so.
But Adnan Rashid bhai, I agree with you 100%.
لعنة الله على الكاذبين.
And obviously, because I have watched all of those clips, in which basically they are saying all of those things. But I was just thinking, if you obviously it's up to you if you want to consider that.
This guy, after that incident, when he was actually, and he actually messaged me, private messaged me on TikTok, and he said, "You deserved it. Yeah, it was good that happened to you." He was
Okay.
very you.
لعنة الله على الكاذبين.
Well, he's one of their anonymous preachers. Razi knows him personally. Razi knows his name. His name is Anis, and Razi
Yeah.
knows and considers him one of his teachers. But this
Right.
person
Okay.
is a vile character, as we know, because if you were to hear those words and those abuses that were thrown at me by their preachers on TikTok, and they pretend to be the nicest people in the world.
لعنة الله على الكاذبين. لعنة الله على الكاذبين. لعنة الله على الكاذبين.